This is Pierogi Reuben Casserole. It's a fusion of a Reuben sandwich using pierogies and croutons instead of traditional rye bread. This comes together in 1 hour. The pierogies are frozen. You can use any flavor you like and layer this up, put it in the oven, and it takes 1 hour. Quick, easy, fast weeknight meal. I don't know how you found me, but I'm happy you're here. If you're looking for something quick, fast, and easy, you're in the right place. Let me get everything set up, show you the ingredients so we can get started. Here are the ingredients for Pierogi Reuben Casserole. Now I'm using an 8x8 dish, and I'm going to be using potato and onion pierogies. Cheese works great, whatever kind you have. I got this from Aldi. You're going to need some aluminum foil to cover it. And you guys that know me know I always use a non-stick cooking spray, so it's easy cleanup. You need some breadcrumbs, a little bit of butter to toast them. I'm using half a can to 1 can of sauerkraut. It depends on what size dish and how much you like sauerkraut. You definitely Thousand Island dressing. I have some croutons, Texas toast, and Swiss cheese is a must. And of course, the star is the corned beef. And I'm gonna show you guys a quick, easy method. I'm using deli sliced corned beef. Normally I get it from the butcher at the grocery store, but just to show you guys a shortcut, you can definitely use this, and it's also very delicious. So let me turn the camera around. Let's get cooking. My oven is at 350 degrees. This is on the table in one pan, no other dishes besides a knife and a fork, in 1 hour. Okay, this is 7 ounces of corned beef. I'm just gonna roughly chop this. And this is just for me, because those that know me, welcome back. You know my husband won't eat this, but my favorite sandwich is the Reuben, and I absolutely love pierogies. So if you guys feel the same way, go ahead and give this a try. Great weeknight meal, comes together, like I said, in 1 hour. Just as fast as it takes you to get this corned beef chopped up. Okay, now that I have that done, I'm gonna take my baking dish. I'm gonna spray it with some non-stick cooking spray. Okay, to start, after it's been sprayed, I sprayed that off camera, I apologize. Just gonna put some Thousand Island dressing across the bottom. Just make sure your pierogies aren't dry. And these are frozen. That's the beauty of this. I'm using the large ones. And I'm just putting these in the bottom. I'm going to add some more, just a little bit. Then I'm going to add my chopped corned beef. I like a lot of meat. That was 7 ounces. That was a 7-ounce package. Then add some croutons on top. And these are seasoned croutons. Now your Swiss cheese. Then your sauerkraut to your liking. You can add the whole can if you like. The recipe asks for half a can on a 9x13, but I'm using an 8x8. I love sauerkraut, so I could use the whole can, but it doesn't look like I need the whole can. And I've got my breadcrumbs. I'm going to add some melted butter that I melted in the microwave. This helps them brown up a little bit. On top of this, you're going to add more of the Thousand Island. Then add your breadcrumbs. The butter helps it to brown in the oven. Quick, fast, easy weeknight meal. I don't know how you found me, but I'm happy you're here. You're in the right spot. If you like quick, fast meals, and if you love pierogies, then I got you. I have several pierogi recipes on my channel. You might want to check those out. So now I'm going to cover this in aluminum foil and put this on the top shelf of my oven for 30 minutes. Uncover it, go another 30, take it out, and I'll show you guys what it looks like halfway through. Okay, after 30 minutes, I'm going to take the foil off, and I forgot to tell you guys, I did spray the underside of the foil to keep everything from sticking. So that's how it looks after 30 minutes. I'm going to push it back in for another 30 minutes at 350 degrees, and then take it out and show you guys how I made this. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. You guys that know me, welcome back. You know, I upload 2 videos a week, and I always include an inspirational quote and a controversial joke. This is so scrumptious. You guys are really going to love this if you give it a try. So I'll see you back in 30 minutes. There it is, you guys. Pierogi Reuben Casserole. Took 1 hour in the oven, 30 minutes covered, 30 minutes uncovered. Nice and bubbly with pierogies at the bottom, layered with corned beef, some croutons to imitate the Reuben sandwich for bread, Thousand Island dressing, and you got Swiss cheese, and you've got corned beef. So let me turn the camera around, tell you guys my joke. You guys, thank you guys for watching. You know, I always include an inspirational quote and tell a controversial joke at the end. Let me get this in a serving dish and show you how it looks. A greedy old businessman was dying, so he called his priest, his lawyer, and his accountant to his bedside. They say, "You can't take it with you, but I'm certainly going to try," he gasped. "When I die, I want each of you to take 1/3 of my money and throw it into my grave as they're burying me." The 3 started to protest, but the businessman, "That's my money. I'll do with it what I want." The 3 reluctantly agreed. A few days later, the man dies. At the funeral, the priest, the lawyer, and the accountant do as directed, and each put a bag of money into the grave as the coffin is being buried. After the funeral, they start talking as they walk back to their cars. "I have a confession to make," says the priest. When I thought of all of the poor people that could be helped by the man's money, I decided to take a portion of it and donate it to an orphanage. As long as we're confessing," the lawyer says, "I got to be real with you as well. I need an oceanside vacation home, so I took a handful of the geezer's money to use as a cash down payment." "Gentlemen, I'm ashamed of you both," replied the accountant. "I'll have you know that I put a check in for the full amount." I thought that was hilarious. The accountant was the smartest of them all. Well, I want to thank you guys for watching. Like I said, if you like pierogies, check my channel. I have a couple of different protein pierogi videos. I love them. I love the Reuben sandwich. I thought I'd fuse them together. This is absolutely delicious. It comes together nicely. If you're going to make it for a family of 4, I would definitely use the 9x13 and use the whole can of sauerkraut. And you can add onions or other vegetables if you like, but it turns out just perfect. So hope to see you guys on the next one. Please like, subscribe, and share. And may you all have a wonderful evening. God bless to you all and your families.